Welcome to Viz News. I'm Juju.
And I'm Andrew.
So many great things have been happening in Opus. Walls were taken down and now there's a lot more space for middle and lower school to design, build, collaborate, and so much more.
Hit it, Lucy.
Hi, Juju and Andrew. Today I'm in Opus Hall with some students right now using this space. Now that this space is open, what are some things that you would like to see in?
We want stools that are lighter and can be used so we can have more space to work when we need it.
What are your thoughts, sir?
It would be so nice if the tables could flip up. Robots do well on carpet. They move better on smooth floors.
Hi there. What do you think we need here?
I think we need tools like a screwdriver, a hammer, and cardboard cutters.
And safety goggles too.
And how about you?
I am in Lego League after school and we need a table with wheels and storage below it. There's no storage down here, just buckets and trays. And
What do you think we need?
Well, a lot of people have a bunch of big projects that they're working on, and I don't think we have enough storage space.
Where do you think I should put my project?
I don't know.
What else?
new paint and bright colors.
Or wallpaper.
We want the space to look beautiful.
Any last ideas? We do a lot of cool things in this space, so maybe if this door was glass, they could see.
Or have big windows.
These kids have great ideas. Stay tuned for updates.
We need your help! Let's